at the beach. Oh. Woo, this is beautiful. You want to come with me? Oh. So I'm by the beach and I see this place. Beautiful place here. I say it's not for sale. But see how beautiful the place is. Whoa. Hello, you alright? Where am I? Huh? Am I going inside? I want to play here. Oh, okay. Oh, I like the place. I see a little girl out there. Oh, wow. Eh? Oh, are your man there? Am I going to help you to come take the coconut? Oh. Wow, I'm going to living here. No. Eh? Is that my help you? Bring me help you. What are you going here? Uh-huh. Where you going there? You going inside? Come on, get coconut. Are you going inside? Come on, put on the stairs, yeah? Yes. So I put your coconut here, yeah? Oh, thank you. I want to come eat the coconut. Oh, check that. I'm passing around. You alright? Go, but don't cancel the lagoon. No, don't go there. So they're cleaning this place. It's a beautiful place. So you have a nice area. Liberia is beautiful, right? You play fun. What is it? You see what it? Your clothes, you Lucy. Tell her enter the face. You want me to face your clothes? How you can face it? Eh? The clothes, Lucy. How you can tie? Are you there? Yeah, I'm a camera. You say, are you there? Like camera. He said, Lucy, I'm a tie. I tie behind it. Hello. Yeah, all right. Poo? Alimbasa. Yeah, you gotta go down that beach. Give me phone. Give me phone. I'm going here. I'm going to come out, my friend. Wait. So I'm leaving my friend. Check it. I think so. Somebody living here because I see people that get over there. Nobody can do it.